For centuries, humans have looked up at the stars and wondered, are we alone? This question has sparked the imagination of countless generations, inspiring myths, legends, and scientific inquiries alike. From ancient civilizations who saw gods and spirits in the constellations, to modern scientists who use advanced technology to scan the heavens, the quest to find life beyond Earth has been a constant in human history. The universe is vast and filled with billions upon billions of stars and planets. Each star could potentially host its own solar system, with planets that might harbor the conditions necessary for life. The sheer scale of the cosmos is mind-boggling, stretching our understanding of space and time to their limits. Could it be that life only exists here on Earth? Our planet, with its perfect conditions for life, seems unique, but is it truly one of a kind in the vast expanse of the universe? Scientists have long pondered this question, seeking clues in the most unlikely places. Or are there other worlds out there teeming with life, perhaps even intelligent life? The discovery of exoplanets, planets orbiting stars outside our solar system, has opened up new possibilities. These distant worlds, with their diverse environments, could potentially host life forms that are very different from those on Earth. The search for life beyond our planet is one of the most profound scientific endeavors of our time. It combines the efforts of astronomers, biologists, chemists, and engineers, all working together to answer one of humanity's biggest questions. This multidisciplinary approach is crucial, as the search for extraterrestrial life requires expertise from many fields. Finding evidence of life elsewhere, even simple microbial life, would fundamentally change our understanding of our place in the cosmos. It would suggest that life is a common occurrence in the universe, rather than a rare anomaly. This discovery would have profound implications for science, philosophy, and even religion. It would tell us that life is not a unique phenomenon confined to our little blue planet. The realization that we are part of a larger, living universe would be a paradigm shift, altering our perception of ourselves and our place in the cosmos. It would open up the possibility that we are not alone in the universe. This idea has profound implications, not just for science, but for our understanding of what it means to be human. The search for extraterrestrial life is, in many ways, a search for ourselves. For decades, scientists have been searching for signs of life on other planets, both within our solar system and beyond. They have developed sophisticated instruments and techniques to detect the faintest signals from distant worlds, hoping to find evidence of life. They have sent probes to Mars, exploring its surface and atmosphere for signs of past or present life. Mars, with its history of liquid water, is one of the most promising places to search for life in our solar system. Studied the moons of Jupiter and Saturn, such as Europa and Enceladus, which have subsurface oceans that could potentially harbor life. These icy moons are intriguing targets for future missions, as their hidden oceans might be teeming with microbial life, and used powerful telescopes to peer into the atmospheres of distant planets. By analyzing the light from these planets, scientists can determine their composition and look for signs of life, such as the presence of oxygen or methane. And now, thanks to the incredible power of the James Webb Space Telescope, we may have taken a giant leap forward in our search. This state-of-the-art telescope allows us to see further and more clearly than ever before, opening up new possibilities for discovering life beyond Earth. The search continues, and with each new discovery, we come one step closer to answering the age-old question, are we alone in the universe? In the vast expanse of space where the mysteries of the universe unfold, 124 light-years away from Earth lies a fascinating world, a planet called K2-18b. This distant exoplanet has captured the imagination of scientists and space enthusiasts alike. K2-18b orbits a red dwarf star, which is smaller and cooler than our own Sun. These stars are known for their longevity and stability, making them intriguing targets in the search for habitable worlds. What makes K2-18b so intriguing is that it resides within the star's habitable zone, often referred to as the Goldilocks zone. This is the region where temperatures are just right for liquid water to exist on a planet's surface, a crucial ingredient for life as we know it. And as we know, water is essential for life as we know it. The presence of liquid water opens up the possibility of life, making K2-18b a prime candidate for further exploration. Recently, scientists made an astounding discovery on K2-18b. They detected the presence of two molecules in the planet's atmosphere that could hint at biological activity. Using the James Webb Space Telescope, they identified dimethyl sulfide and dimethyl disulfide. These molecules are significant because on Earth, they are primarily produced by living organisms. Specifically, these compounds are produced by marine phytoplankton, tiny organisms that play a crucial role in Earth's ecosystems. The detection of these molecules on K2-18b raises exciting questions about the potential for life beyond our planet. K2-18b is a fascinating world in its own right. It's a super-Earth, meaning it's larger and more massive than our planet, but smaller than a gas giant like Neptune. K2-18b is about 2.6 times the diameter of Earth and has a mass about 8.6 times greater. This exoplanet orbits its red dwarf star much closer than Earth orbits the Sun, completing one orbit in just 33 days. However, because the star is cooler, K2-18b receives a similar amount of energy from its star as Earth does from the Sun, placing it within the habitable zone. The detection of dimethyl sulfide and dimethyl disulfide in the atmosphere of K2-18b is a potential game-changer in the search for extraterrestrial life. On Earth, these molecules are primarily produced by marine phytoplankton, tiny organisms that play a vital role in our planet's ecosystem. While these molecules can also be produced by other processes, such as volcanic activity, the high concentrations detected on K2-18b suggest a biological origin. Scientists are particularly excited about the presence of dimethyl sulfide because it is considered a more reliable biosignature than other molecules like methane. Methane can be produced by both biological and geological processes, making it difficult to determine its source. Dimethyl sulfide, on the other hand, is primarily associated with life on Earth. Section 5. Could there be other explanations? While the detection of DMS and DMDS on K2-18b is incredibly exciting, it's important to remember that scientists are a cautious bunch. They always consider alternative explanations before jumping to conclusions, especially when it comes to something as extraordinary as finding life on another planet. It's possible that the DMS and DMDS on K2-18b could have non-biological origins. For example, volcanic eruptions or hydrothermal vents could release these molecules into the atmosphere. Scientists need to rule out these possibilities before they can definitively say that the molecules are signs of life. Based on the data collected so far, scientists believe that K2-18b could be what's known as a Hycean world. This term is derived from a combination of hydrogen and ocean, indicating a planet that is covered in vast oceans and has a hydrogen-rich atmosphere. Hycean worlds are a hypothetical type of planet that are covered in vast oceans of water, much like Earth. These oceans could be incredibly deep, potentially extending hundreds of kilometers below the surface, creating a unique environment for life to develop. However, unlike Earth, Hycean worlds have hydrogen-rich atmospheres, which can create conditions suitable for life even on planets that are further away from their stars than Earth is from the Sun. This hydrogen-rich atmosphere could act as a greenhouse, trapping heat and keeping the planet warm enough to support liquid water. The presence of water and the potential for a hydrogen-rich atmosphere make K2-18b an even more intriguing target in the search for life. Scientists are particularly interested in the possibility that such an environment could support microbial life, or even more complex organisms, in its deep oceans. If life could arise on a planet with such different conditions than Earth, it would suggest that life may be more common and diverse throughout the universe than we ever imagined. This discovery could revolutionize our understanding of where and how life can exist, opening up new possibilities in the search for extraterrestrial life. K2-18b has been a subject of interest for astronomers for several years now. In 2019, the Hubble Space Telescope detected water vapor in the planet's atmosphere, providing the first tantalizing hint that it could be habitable. Then, in 2023, the James Webb Space Telescope made another groundbreaking observation. It detected methane and carbon dioxide in K2-18b's atmosphere, marking the first time that carbon-based molecules had been found in the atmosphere of a planet within a star's habitable zone. This discovery further fueled the excitement surrounding K2-18b and its potential for life. The detection of DMS and DMDS on K2-18b is a major milestone in the search for life beyond Earth. However, it's important to remember that this is just the beginning of the story. More research is needed to confirm the biological origin of these molecules and to learn more about the conditions on this intriguing planet. Scientists plan to continue observing K2-18b with the James Webb Space Telescope and other telescopes to gather more data. They will also develop new technologies and techniques for studying exoplanet atmospheres in even greater detail. The discovery of potential biosignatures on K2-18b has ignited our imaginations and renewed our hope of finding life elsewhere in the universe. As we continue to explore the cosmos and develop new technologies, we can expect even more exciting discoveries in the years to come. The search for life beyond Earth is a long and challenging journey, but it is a journey worth taking. For in the end, it is a journey to understand ourselves, our place in the universe, and the very nature of life itself. And that is a journey that is sure to be filled with wonder and awe.